Assalamu alaikum. This is Kailash Saradi from Continental Establishment. Right now, today we will discuss about the real-time headcount building management system. This is one of the solution is designed by our wizard programmers, and they control the 12 buildings like building number 1 crystal, diamond, sapphire, platinum, management club, as well as visitor and the contractor. So altogether there are 12. Altogether there are 12 buildings, 10 buildings, and two options are for the visitors and the contractors. They control the whole build, all of the buildings by using the RFID, facial, and biometrics devices. And this solution runs in a real-time manner. Anyone can sit in the control room and they can see that all the people who are entering and exiting from the building, they can easily view from in the control room. As well as now I can show you another building. I can show you another building that is called the assembly point, which is outside these building. This is the assembly point which is outside the building, because when in on all the plant areas and all the factory areas, there is an assembly point outside the building. So same like here, if we say like the crystal building has an assembly point outside the crystal building, diamond has the assembly point outside the diamond building, and all together all the 12 buildings have their an assembly points outside. So once at the time of emergency, if anything happens, so the people the all the employees can come to the assembly point, and at the assembly point there is a facial machine installed. They just show their face and stand. So as they show their face and stand, you can see there is a green progress bar which right now shows the 100% saved, means that the 100% people are right now are in the safe area. As well as you can see a lovely head count graph, as well as the one of those nice meter as well. So all these three things are interactive with each and other. So it's an excellent health and safety head count system, and it's in works in a real time. We have already installed for the PPL, and right now we have just developed this software, one of our clients which are using to do the which are doing the mining in the coal areas. Thank you.